Guys, you've seen this happen before. Someone takes a suit jacket and matches it with a pair of jeans. This should never be done, right? Isn't it the menswear equivalent of the mullet? Well, yes and no. Confused? Don't worry. Thomas with Real Men Real Style here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually rock a suit jacket with jeans. First, let's cover the rules you need to know to actually pull this off. Rule number 1, don't break up your only suit. If you only own one suit, the suit that you're going to be wearing to job interviews, weddings, and funerals, then you should not wear them with jeans. Why? Simple. When you wear your suit, it starts to slightly fade and change color over time. Sun exposure and sending your suit to the cleaners will both fade the color of the material. So over a long period of time, if you keep wearing your jacket without the trousers, you'll end up with a set that no longer matches. So if you only have one suit, don't separate them. But if you have a big rotation of suits to pull from, then it's okay to separate the jacket every now and then. Rule number 2, choose the right jeans. You're pairing a formal jacket with a casual style of trousers. It's critical to get the right pair of jeans to make this look work. Otherwise, you're gonna have an outfit combination that's gonna look terrible. First off, you want to make sure your jeans are as formal as possible, so stick to a dark indigo wash. Avoid jeans that are weathered and distressed, but don't be afraid to pull in other colors though. White, gray, even red are all colors that can work well with a suit jacket. As well, skip the cuffs around the ankles. A straight hem will look sleeker and more refined. And guys, don't forget about the fit of the jeans. A relaxed or baggy pair of denim is going to look sloppy in contrast to a tailored suit jacket, so choose a pair that is slim or straight fit. Rule number 3, don't forget the shirt. You want to help bridge the gap between the formality of your suit jacket with the more casual pair of jeans. A great way to do this is to pick a shirt that's on the more casual side. If you go for a sleek dress shirt with a smooth material, the contrast is going to be too jarring. Instead, go with a casual button down that has texture in the fabric. It's subtle, but that little bit of texture makes a huge difference. And don't be afraid to have some fun with patterns. Rule number 4, skip the necktie. A necktie is one of the most formal pieces of menswear. It just looks too buttoned up when you wear it with a suit jacket and jeans. If you enjoy being fashion forward, you can try to rock this look, but stick to a casual style like a wool or knitted tie. Steer clear of those formal silk neckties. Rule number 5, wear a belt. Normally you can skip a belt when wearing jeans, but when paired with a suit jacket, you really need the belt to help tie the outfit together. It just looks incomplete without it. Now that you know the rules, here are a few outfit combinations for inspiration.
Alright gents, whether you're using an electric, safety, or cartridge razor, consider using an aftershave balm. Applying this after you shave helps to cool the skin and prevent redness. Now gents, the grooming products you see in today's video brought to you by Vitaman. And instead of me telling you how awesome they are, how about I put a link down in the description of today's video so you can try them for free. Seriously gents, use that link in the description to grab a sample kit over at Vitaman for free.
Outfit number 1, sweater weather. For the first look, I took a jacket from a navy suit and matched it with a pair of dark indigo denim. The shirt is a casual blue button down with a subtle diamond pattern. I then added a rugged crew neck sweater on top. The relaxed look of the sweater helps bridge the gap between the suit jacket and the jeans. I then added a linen pocket square with a paisley pattern in a puff fold. The watch is a sleek chronograph with a white dial, silver case, and blue leather strap. For footwear, I selected a pair of penny loafers in a two-tone brown leather. Outfit number 2, turtleneck time. For the second outfit, I took a charcoal gray suit jacket and once again paired it with a dark wash set of jeans. Instead of a dress shirt or casual button down, I went with a deep red turtleneck sweater. Again, this helps bring down the formality of the entire outfit while still looking put together. I selected a white linen pocket square with a burgundy fringe in a messy presidential fold. The watch is a chronograph with a blue dial, silver case, and oxblood leather band. Rounding out the outfit is a pair of long wing brogues in a rich oxblood color. Outfit number 3, light and breezy. I grabbed a medium gray suit jacket and swapped out the indigo jeans for a pair of white denim. The shirt is a casual button-up with a large white and gray gingham pattern. To add in some color, I took a silk green pocket square with a polka dot pattern and put it in a 2-point diamond fold. Next up is the dive watch with a black dial and stainless steel case and band. Now for the belt, I selected a light brown leather strap with a sleek gunmetal buckle. Finishing off with the footwear, I have a set of semi-brogues in a light brown leather. So what do you think guys? Would you ever be caught wearing a suit jacket with jeans? Let me know in the comments below. So now you know the secrets to rocking your suit jacket with your denim, but what about your t-shirts? Check out this video guys, where I'm going to show you 7 awesome combinations for your t-shirt and jeans.